Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Some of my friends have a question that how can we record our screen? Many of times you need to record your screen for many purposes. Like for YouTube. For guide someone. Teach someone. And etc. There are many solutions for you. But today I am here with best solution that teach you how you can record your screen in both Windows 10 and also Windows 11. Let's start. First of all you need a software for record your screen on PC. And that software name is Camtasia. For download it, connect your PC to internet. Go to your internet browser. And type TechSmith in the search box and tap enter to search. Then click on link where screen recording and capture, software, services, and apps. When website is opened, scroll on product and there are many products of TechSmith. But we need a screen recorder that is Camtasia. Click on Camtasia. And now scroll down below and there is a section of simple, but full of features. There is a list of all features of Camtasia. First is template. There are many built-in templates in Camtasia. You can pick a template and edit with your own project. And then Camtasia packages. Favorites and presets. Recording. Simplified editing. And etc. We will discuss one by one feature in another video, but some of these we will discuss in this video. Now scroll down and go to the download section. There are 3 different plans. But we will use first plan that is free. Click on download. And after download install it. After installing completed open it. First of all there is a top bar that is toolbar. Then on the top left corner. There is a record button, click on it. There are 2 different areas. First is recording area. And second is recorded inputs. In recording area. You can see screen on. And screen off button. And in record inputs there are 3 buttons. First for your webcam. And second is for your microphone. And third is for system audio on. You can on and off these buttons as your requirements. Then click on record button or press F9 button on your keyboard and after 3 seconds your recording will start. After start your recording for pause recording again press F9 and then again press F9 for continue. And when you want to end press F10 button on your keyboard. Your record video will appear in media section. Drag and drop it in timeline. And edit it. After complete editing. Go to the top right corner and click on export button. There are many options. If you want to upload it on YouTube just click on YouTube. And if you want to save it in your computer click on local file. Now take it as by default and click on next. Now check on MP4. And click on next. There are different options for setting. I recommend take it as default and click on next. Again click on next. Now type your project name here. Browse it and choose directory where you want to save. And click on finish. It will take some time, depends on your RAM and your project. Hope so this video is very useful for you. You got your solution. Please give it a thumbs up. To watch more videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing. See you next time. Thank you.